Hello, my name is R.A.SH from a company called R.A.SH. Today I'm going to show our electronic solutions for the Tesla, for the 2024 Tesla Model Y. This is our interface module that is connected to the body control module using these CAN lines under the steering. This is the round device that is used to indicate and to use the functions. Now the system fully functional only when we shift out of park. Okay, so the key is here. We press the foot brake and we shift into, as an example, for neutral. Okay, so once we shift into neutral, the system is fully functional. Okay, now I can indicate. It cancels according to the steering position as well. Okay, same on the other side. Now also we can alternate, so here we can indicate left, we can go to right, we can turn it off, we can turn it on, turn it off, on, off, and according to the steering position. Now for the wipers, if we press and hold, it activates the washers. Okay, now in this car, to activate the wipers, there is only one switch here that triggers single wipe. Okay, so once we press it, you get a single wipe, and here you have to select from the screen, so it's very difficult to select. So now this is, our system can do both in one switch. So basically shortly press to activate the timer, and the timer is speed dependent, and okay, and that activates according to the automatic and the rain sensors. Now if you press again, it activates the normal wipe. Now it's not speed dependent, but it's always active. And if you press again, we get the high speed or the rapid wipe. Double beep, it cancels the wipers. The same here for the flasher. So shortly press to flash. Press and hold to turn to latch the high beam. Press and hold for low beam, high beam, low. We can activate any function we want at the same time. And of course, this is the horn. Thank you for watching.